Hi, I'm Rachel Gaston-Pifer, and today I'm doing a video review of the Easy Feel Standard Full Buckle Carrier. So this is it right here. Its name is, its colorway name is Soothing Sunshine, and I have a couple of red toys to show with it. I have a Christmas apple, a red magniform, and a red Lego. So you can see it's a bright, fun orange color. And it's in the iCat weave, which is a special weaving process that the weaver has to get everything lined up right to get these little designs in the fabric. Each layer is 150 grams per square meter, and there's 4 layers in the structure of the panel, and that is going to be 600 grams per square meter, which is really quite thin. 150 grams per square meter is the same as a Rhapsody Breeze wrap, and a lot of German-style wovens are 300 square meters, so it would be like having 2 passes of a German-style woven over you, or 4 passes of a Rhapsody Breeze over you. The carrier costs 5,000 rupee, which is about 75 US dollars, and you're also going to need to pay shipping. The carrier takes babies between 7 and 20 pounds, and, 7 and 20 kilograms, which is about 15 to 44 pounds. And there's an insert being designed for the carrier right now that'll be coming out any day now. Now let me show you the carrier. So the panel is 13.5 by 15 inches, and we're going to start from the bottom and work our way up. So if you look at the bottom, this guy is really thick. It's awesome. It's sort of a memory foam material, and it's very thick. And the design is a sort of wide half moon, and then straight across the top. On one side of the panel, you have this lovely little pocket that you can put quite a few things in. And then on this side of the panel, oh, and also what's cool with this pocket is you can see it's 2 layers, but you can kind of see how thin and lightweight the fabric is. Okay, over here is where you have the buckle. For the waistband, and it's a regular buckle, and it has the safety strap that stays here, and then when you buckle it, you bring it around over here, which is a nice feature. Okay. Oh, and the end of the strap has the elastic so that you can roll up any excess and trap it into the elastic. I suppose this is a trapping elastic. Okay, so that's the waistband. Oh, also on the underside of the waistband is the instruction panel, the warning panel, and then the manufacturer date. The waistband, not the panel. So here is the panel. The panel at the bottom has the comfort padded leg outer, I'm losing my word there, comfort padded here for legs coming out. It has the straps sewn into the panel, and then up at the top the straps are also sewn into the panel with an X box, and this is so cool. Do you know what's in here? It's a hood. Isn't that fun? I love a secret hood. Okay, so now let's look at how the hood works, and then we'll look at the shoulder straps. So with the hood, there's a handy D-ring up here, and there's a couple of things you can do. Well, first of all, the hood has this ability to make it as wide or as tall as you want it, so you can have it be shorter, or you can have it be longer. And you can take your strings onto your D-ring, and my preferred method is to take it and push it through into a loop and then poke the other side through and then just, oh, no, I'm not doing it correctly. Push your loop through and come through and pull on your ends, and that gives you a way to hold your hood on. And then it comes off with a tug. You can also knot it on or tie it on. Okay, and then if you're not using your hood, you can just take your strings in on here and roll it down into the secret pocket. It has Velcro that puts the pocket together. It's very soft Velcro. Okay, so now the shoulder strap. Let's have a look at that. So the shoulder strap has a perfect fit adjuster right by the panel, and your D-ring for your hood straps. It has a chest clip back here with a really nice long length, and the chest clip has the elastic holder on the end, and then you have a webbing going into the carrier with the elastic holder on the end of it as well. And storage pocket and hood, I mentioned those. So this is the full buckle carrier standard size from Easy